This is going to be a do-it-yourself tune-up for the UPPAbaby Vista V2. Just like a car or bike, we always say routine maintenance helps keep your stroller running nice and smoothly, especially if you're an avid user or maybe someone that this is your vehicle. So it's always a great idea to do a tune-up. I tend to start with the front wheels, so I put the brake on and then I tip the Vista V2 up, and I'm going to release these front wheels. So to do that, I'm going to pull this gray release lever right here. Anything on the Vista V2 that's light gray is a touch point. It's a moving part. So for example, these buttons on the front right here are your wheel locks. I just push that button in and I engage the wheel locks so these wheels stay in the fixed position. Sometimes people will use this when they need a little more traction. For example, going through the snow in the winter. Press that button and the wheels free pivot and swivel for you to steer. So I'm going to release these front wheels by pulling this gray lever, sliding the front wheel out. If you've been away on vacation, you've had a heavy year of usage, and someone may call me and say, my Vista's a little squeaky. Typically that noise is housed in the front wheels. These are the ones that see all the dirt, the sand, and the grit. So if you release them from the frame using that gray trigger, you can use a mild household cleaner, spray and wipe down with a rag. You can also pop these off and rinse them off in the sink, dry thoroughly, damp cloth. Just use any mild household cleaner that does not include bleach. And then what we always suggest you do is maybe a little dose of spray lubricant on here. Anything you'd find at the local hardware store. A silicone, WD-40, any kind of white lithium grease. And also, it's never a bad idea to clean out into the frame too, in this housing right here. We always use here, a simple way to do that is compressed air like you would clean your keyboard with. Take your compressed air, spray out any dirt or sand that's in there, and then, now that you have your clean front wheels, you reinsert them back into your Vista V2 frame, so it'll be smooth strolling. Now for the back wheels, that gray is also a touch point there also. So you're going to push in this gray hubcap and slide the back wheels off. So inside here, you may get some sand or grit depending on where you've been strolling. So same thing, mild household spray cleaner, damp cloth to clean out any dirt or grit, rinse them off in the sink, whatever works best for you. But I also suggest cleaning out into this brake housing. So the brake works, when you hit the brake, a pin comes out of the frame. The pin within the frame goes into the holes in the wheels. So just give that a little cleaning, and you can use a spray lubricant, or like I said earlier, that compressed air you clean your keyboard with can get any sand or grit right out of that brake, so it'll be smooth sailing. Clean that out and replace your back wheels. Those are the main service areas for the Vista V2, but to help maintain and keep you strolling along, you can also wipe down your frame with a mild household spray cleaner, something without bleach. Many times customers will say, not unlike myself, I have an older house. So I'm always kind of knocking into the wainscoting or maybe a little chair rail. You may get a little scuffing for paint along your front wheels or your front here. You can take a magic eraser with a mild spray cleaner and get any scuffs that may be off here. So you can lightly buff out the front and up here, but just remember, because the magic eraser has a slight abrasiveness to it, be gentle with it. I wouldn't suggest cleaning over your Vista with it and with any kind of harsh abrasive, but wipe down your frame, a little spray cleaner, a little rag, and it does a really, really nice job. Now for your leather accessories, I always say that anything you're going to use on a handbag, shoes, the leather inside your car is great. You can use a leather cleaner and conditioner on your handlebar and also on your bumper bar to keep those looking nice and new. Now for your fabrics, you may remove the basket fabric, and I always suggest you can hand wash that cold water and hang dry. But a nice easy way to do an at-home tune-up is to get your mild household spray cleaner without bleach, spray this down and scrub it and leave it right on your Vista to dry. I never suggest storing your V2 Vista wet. So once you do any spot cleaning, make sure it dries thoroughly before you fold it up and store it. Now, all of our fabrics are removable, and you can wash, cold water, hand wash, and hang dry. But you can also spot clean. This fabric is really, really strong and holds up to a good cleaning. So sometimes what I always say for customers, you may be busy, you've got all your kids with you, you've been out summer vacation, you get some sunscreen on here, maybe a little ice cream. So really, really easy tips to clean up that Vista. Spray the fabric. I'm using, I personally have some cleaners that I really like. You can always go onto our tune-up blog, tuneup.upababy.com, to some of the cleaners that we like to use on fabrics. You can spot clean, spray your fabric, scrub this, and leave it to dry outside before you fold and store, and it really cleans up well. So don't be afraid to get in there, use a little elbow grease, get that sunscreen off there at the end of the summer. Same with your canopy. Really easy to spot clean the canopy while it's on the frame. Personally, because I tend to be lazy, I don't want to take anything apart, you can spray the whole top and scrub it and leave it out to dry, leave it open, and it'll clean up quite nicely. Especially if you're like me, I never strolled without a coffee in my hand, so I may have gotten a little coffee spills here and there. You can do a spot clean and just make sure it's nothing without bleach, and your fabric will clean up quite nicely. So that is the basic overview on how to maintain and tune up your Vista V2.